Welcome to our video on how to explore, prosper, and earn your share of the $300,000 prize pool in $BTC and $PROS. Today, we'll guide you step by step through completing the tasks required for this campaign. Let's get started. First, we need to set up funds in our Binance Web3 wallet. We'll start by transferring 40 USDT to the Binance Web3 wallet. Next, we'll swap $9 of SLISP to WBNB to prepare for the liquidity tasks. Lastly, ensure you have about $4 in BNB to cover transaction fees for the on-chain tasks. Now, let's move on to completing the PancakeSwap V3 missions. Trade $PROS will trade at least $40 PROS on PancakeSwap. At Liquidity, add at least $30 PROS and the equivalent WBNB to the liquidity pool for the $PROS. WBNB V3 0.25% trading pair. Maintain liquidity needs to be maintained for at least 24 hours before it can be verified. Next, we'll complete the Prosper missions. Stake at least $10 PROS using Prosper's reward campaign DApp. Maintain the staking for 24 hours to complete this task. Lastly, we'll finish up with the social media tasks. Follow Prosper on X. Follow their official account at ProsperFi. Repost a post on X. Repost one of their key posts. This task takes 15 minutes to verify. Repost another post on X. Repost a second key post, which also takes 15 minutes to verify. And that's it. You've now completed all the tasks required to unlock your rewards and claim your share of the prize pool. Remember, rewards are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis, so act quickly to secure your portion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and updates. See you next time.